Hi everyone, welcome back to Blakesley Acres. I'm Joe.
I'm Danae.
Today we are working on getting the feeder pigs out on pasture. Yesterday I spent part of the day fixing the bigger pasture out there you guys seen in previous videos that I frost seeded. I haven't got the other pasture done yet, so I want to get them out. I'm going to put them in there. There's plenty of stuff for them to graze on. I'm hoping in a couple weeks to move them to the other one, but right now I'm grazing the cows across it just to clean it up. I figured might as well use it. So me and Danae we put up this laneway today here behind us. We used the hog panels from the other side, mostly because I didn't want these bigger pigs that are in this pasture to push over electric fence and mess with these little pigs. That's pretty much why I did it. Yeah, I got to clean up their water and get these guys moved over to this pasture. I think they'll appreciate it, and they need to get out and get some work done. They've been stuck in these dry lots for, I don't know, since March maybe. So they need to get out and get some green grass and forage. We sold our 4 feeders that we had sold. We got rid of them yesterday. So yeah, that's what we're working on today. Do an intro, huh?
I figured we can do it after we're done.
Hey, get out of there, Mr. Pig. They call me Mr. Pig. Crows got babies out there somewhere again.
They eat them?
Huh?
They eat them?
No, not yet, but if they fall out of that nest and can't get away, they will. They did last year.
I know, that's what I was asking.
They weren't happy about it either. I see them flying this way with a duck egg, and I heard them out there feeding them.
I was wondering what happened to the duck egg.
To be honest with you, I really don't care because we don't need any more ducks hatching. Besides, we already got 2 nests in there.
Correct, and we already have 6 ducklings.
And they keep the hawks away, so we haven't had, knock on wood, we haven't had any issues with hawks killing our chickens, so I'm not going to complain. Having a few crows around. If we had a garden, it might be different. Another 16 footer. What are you doing out there?
Getting ticks. Getting ticks.
Yeah, you'll have that.
No!
What is he doing?
I'm trying to get on the back of the truck. The fence is on, don't forget.
This isn't out. Over there is, this is the only jumper I got. I have had it down for...
I just found some eggs.
Just in case.
All right, did you put them in the you put them on the back of the truck? Good boy. Thank you. Your best man. Want to say hi to YouTube? Are you going to say hi?
Hi. I'm going out of the way.
Of course.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Stay over there.
Hey, Mr. Pig.
Okay. setting the table.
Okay, good job.
Ooh,
What?
him go for this one.
Hold on.
Not food.
I don't think he wants food.
He's looking at the bucket.
Oh.
Thinking there's grain in there.
Mr. Pig. Come and eat me.
He doesn't want to eat a stick. McKinley! Just checking, you're fine.
Crows took off with her.
She's laying down in the tall grass, so I can't see her.
I think she doesn't want to see that. Or I think she's sad.
I don't think she's sad. I think she's just playing.
I think she's playing sad.
You're gonna be playing sad when I really couldn't ask for a better boar, really. How many boars can you jump in the pen and work on stuff without him messing with you?
He's very nice, too. He lets you scratch him down. He's just a big baby. That being said, Gage, I wouldn't put your hands in there.
Get out of there. Dummy.
Mr. Pig. Gage, no. That's not nice.
Alright.
Get down. Because you don't belong up there.
Release the pigs.
Piglets! Come here.
It's just about full. I'm gonna go shut that off real quick. And I'm gonna hook that back up so this is Hoyer's on. Alright everyone, it's the next morning after trying to get these piglets out on pasture, and they're out there. But I came up this morning to feed them, and I was going to go put some new fence up for the beef cows, and they weren't where they were supposed to be, and that was my mistake. Didn't even think about it. I don't have jumper wires under my gates yet. So I had a gate open over here where they crossed in from the hard pen, and it didn't turn on the whole back side of the fence. So I fixed that and put a jumper wire down here at the other end of the fence. So regardless if the gate's open from now on, that fence will always be hot. But I do need to get the underground jumper wires run across. You just don't think about it. You leave the gate open for the cows to travel through or whatever, and it turns off a section of your fence. It's kind of a pain in the butt. Our big pigs, they don't test the fence too much. They know, but these piglets haven't been out in electric very much. I've trained them a little bit, but they're still learning. So yeah, they got them back, got them. They're on the feed now. They just found it, so they're enjoying the freedom, that's for sure. All covered in mud, but they're doing good. There's a couple little runts in this group that we bought, but I'm hoping that we got rid of those 4 And I'm keeping the feed that I was giving them the same, so I'm hoping they'll take right off now that they're out on pasture. But yeah, it's nice having these piglets out on pasture finally. I like getting them out earlier than this, but that's what happens when you're busy. I should be having some summer litters, but that's where we're at with these piglets. There's 9 left after selling 4 of them. For some reason, I don't know why, I was thinking there was only 7. There was 13 of them all together. Now there's 9. So I got to go down and look at my paperwork and see who all I got to get deposits from, and see how many I have left over, and try to get those ones sold, whatever ones I don't have spoken for. So yeah, if you guys could like, comment, subscribe, share, and ring the notification bell if you want to see more of our videos. We really appreciate the viewers that we've had this far, and we hope to keep growing. Hope to see you guys on the next one.